Hello and greetings, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am here and welcome to another episode of our show. This is Sorab Samim. Today we will introduce you with one of the most famous foods of Afghanistan. Here is Shar place in Afghanistan. It's the center of Kabul city. And today I am here with Mr. Sheiroga Bولانی. And today we will introduce you with Bولانی. It's a special food in Afghanistan, and mostly people make it during Ramadan or maybe during parties and enjoy it. It's the most delicious and the most famous food in Afghanistan. Follow me, I will show you how to make it and how delicious it is. Here is a place that people make Bولانی. Special name, it's a special name for this breed. It's kind of breed, but in Afghanistan it's more famous as a Bولانی. And there is oil and also heat. People trying to cook it there, and also the ingredients that Bولání people use for making Bولání is there. It's a potato. The cooker boil potato in water, and after that they add some spicy things and also salt to this one, and again after that they trying to use flour and also with water. Today I will also tell you how to make Bولání and what is needed for making Bولání. Let's follow me. And also there is a place for sitting. People always come here during maybe dinner or lunch, mostly lunch. And this place is most crowded place in Afghanistan, in Kabul especially, because this Bولانی Sheiroga, it's the most delicious Bولání in Kabul center. And today we will tell you how to make it. As you can see, these are dough and also with flour. At the first process of making Bولání is trying to use flour with water with dough, and again they mix it, and also they make a dough. You can see these dough. After that they using that wood. In Afghanistan we say ashkaz. It's a special name. They're trying to make it flat. In a flat place they use this dough, and also after they opening these doughs they add some ingredients like potatoes, pumpkin, and also gandana. Let's follow me. We will go in underwear and also see the people, they are eating, they are enjoying Bولانی. Follow me, we will show you. Yes, we are here at a place that people eating Bولání, and also mostly during lunch people come here. And also I have Mr. Sheiroga. This shop, this is a small shop, is an old shop, and it belongs to 30 years ago. 30 years ago, Mr. Sheiroga established this shop, and also nowadays it's most famous, and everyone in Afghanistan, in Kabul, they know Mr. Sheiroga and the shop and the place. And today we will have a short interview with Mr. Sheiroga as well. And we want to know more about how what's the prices of these Bolognese and how they make it, and also what they use also with Bولání. For example, I have seen that they use dough. It's a special drink. It's made of yogurt, and also they add some cucumber, salt, and something spicy things as well, pepper. Today we will have an interview as well with Mr. Sheiroga. Let's follow me. Mr. Sheiroga, salam. صحتون خوب است. Here is Mr. Sheiroga. میشه استاد چمین؟ Yes, we want to, at the first, we want to ask some question from Mr. Shiراغا. I will ask in Persian and again I will translate for you. استاد شیراغا، بولانیتون از چند سال است که در اینجا شما فعالیت میکنین؟
تقریبا چیز کم 30 سال میشه.
Yeah, Mr. Shiroga told me that it's approximately about 30 years that they are working here making bolani and also people coming and enjoying it. در کنار بولانی مردم دیگه چی چیزا اینجا استفاده میکنن؟ چی میخورن همراهش؟
ما تنها بولانی است که با همراه بولانی دو ماست. با بولانی هم قسم بولانی است. از بولانی کدو پخته میکنیم، گندنه پخته میکنیم، کچالو پخته میکنیم، حتی بالاد پخته میکنیم. و تخمدار یعنی تخمه و خاص دل مردم پخته میکنیم.
Yes, they are making just bolani. At this shop they are making just bolani. In addition, people with bolani drink some dough. It's a special drinking in Afghanistan, and also yogurt. You can see that the glasses of yogurt and also the cucumber. The process of making dough is a little easy because at the first they mix yogurt with water and also some cucumber and salt, and if they want they just put pepper as well. And people use also chutney with bolani. It's a special sauce. It's made of tomato with pepper, and it's a little bit spicy. That's the thing that I like most. You can see that the chutney. As you know better, chutney with bolani, these are linked because if you eat bolani and also with chutney, the taste of bolani will be more delicious and will be more good. And also I will ask some more question from Mr. Shiroga. He told me as well they have different kinds of bolani. They make bolani from potato, from gandana. It's a special vegetable that you can find in Afghanistan, and also with pumpkin and more ingredients. I will ask more questions. استاد شیراغا، بیشتر مشتریایتان که میاد از کدام طبقه است؟ اوناس است، آقایان است، کدام تایما بیروبار می باشه بیشتر؟
وطن ما جای سیاست نداریم، اگر این سیاست ها خانم‌ها زیاد بین علاقه بولانی دارن. چون که یک چیز تبرک است و وسانه است، همه گیره دوست داره. اصلا ما که میانه کس ما یاد گرفتیم در خانه از سیاست ها یاد گرفتیم، ما خودمون خود یاد نداشتیم. حتی که 2 ماه مکمل در خانه پخته می‌ایم، در فرق سر خود در دیوانان میگشتم. وقت ما اکراچی گرفتیم اصلا کار سیاست هاست. مردم که میخورن اون سیاست ها میخورن. حتی جایی نداریم، جای سیاست نداریم. سیاست رو عوض میکنن بیان خود جایشان نداریم.
بله. تشکر. Mr. Shiroga told me that mostly females making bolognese at homes, but the first time that Mr. Shiroga started selling and making bolani was at home. He tried to making bolani with his parents, with his family, and also again he came back to bazaar and sells bolognese, and they have more customers, especially in Kabul, approximately around 600 up to 1,000 or maybe more than that every day. They have customers, people who are coming and eating bolognese, and also mostly females like bolognese. But during the situation, and the shop is also small, that's why more males, as you can see that more boys and young people, especially boys, come here to eat and enjoying bolani. Mr. Shiroga also hope that one day he can make this business more bigger, and also that he can have more customers from female as well. استاد شیراغا، دیگه اینی چکنیتان را آیا شما خودتان درست میکنین یا میخرین؟
اگر ما تو بگم که تقریبا 1 کیلو زمین تنها ما گشت کردیم به خاطر چکنی که با چکنی خوشمزه به دست خود ما جور میکنیم. حتی که 3 بیلر 4 بیلر ما یک دفعه جور میکنیم تا که نرسه چکنی نمیشه. چکنی ما باید خاصه بوی خاصی داره، مزه خاصی داره.
بله بله.
این بولانی ما مثلا چکنی میشه.
Also, I asked a question that how they make chutney, a special sauce that you see before. He told me that He has around 2,000 meters ground space that they just grow up some tomatoes, peppers, and some ingredients that they use for chutney. And they make, for example, lots of kilos of chutney, the sauce for Bولانی, and more customers more like to eat chutney. If there's no chutney or sauce, it may not be delicious or it may not be enjoyable. استاد شیراغا، در کنار از این دوغی که شما درست میکنین، این دوغ دانای ماسش طبیعی است؟ این ماسش از کجا میارین؟ چه قسم است؟
این ماس از فارم میاریم. این فارم از این تکانه است جوید بازی شیر شنگره در که برگاه جوش میتن مرادگه شیر ماس هم سپ از
Yes, and also I ask a question about the drink that you have seen before. It's a dough, special name with cucumber and salt. And you can see, I would like to taste it as well because it's more famous and more delicious. The thing that they use for making this drink is yogurt with cucumber, with salt, and also they add water in order to make it drink. I will try it, I will test it, I will let you know how it is. Also I have some cucumber for adding to this dough. Yes, I will test it and I will come back to you and tell you how it was. It's more delicious, especially the cucumber that they used at this drink, at this dough. It was really nice because all of ingredients was natural, and also about the yogurt, they use yogurt from milk, natural milk from cows from different farms. Every day they make this one, and also they keep this drink at that bottle, a big bottle. It's also a special. They make it from different things. It keeps dough cool and more delicious. The taste of this one is really great, and today it was really nice to meet Mr. Shiraغا, and also we know more about how they make بولانی. استاد شیراغا، روزانه چند بولانی میفروشین و قیمت‌های بولانی تان از چند شروع میشه؟
ما خود تقریبا از صبح شروع میکنیم، روز 5 روز از این آرده از سر کار میگیریم و 5 بشکه روغن کار میگیریم، تقریبا 60 کچوری کار میگیریم. نگه حساب از این دیگه پیسه دیگه مخلوط میشه دیگه، نمیخوام از 1000 بالا میشه دیگه.
Yes, Mr. Shiroga told me that every day they use lots of around 1,000 kilos of flour, potatoes, and also milk, yogurt in order to make those things as well. And the prices of Bولانی is always also is different because it has different sizes, and it depends on the thing that they use inside the Bولانی. قیمت‌های بولانی از چند شروع میشه؟
وقت وقتی که شروع کردن با پیسه سابقه 50 افغانی بودن. 50 افغانی در گالب شماری شاید که یک روپه شوه، یک کران شوه، چقدر شوه. تا حالی که 25 روپه است دیگه.
Yes. Thank you so much from Mr. Shiraغا for helping me and also told me more information about how to make Bولانی, the delicious food in Afghanistan. استاد شیراغا خیلی ممنونتان، خیلی تشکر از میهمان‌نوازیتان.
لطف دارید، سلامت باشید. وقت چاش نبوده که خوب بیره بان ابو اخو مزه میرم.
Yeah, Mr. Shiraغا invited me to come during lunch because during lunch it's more crowded place and more people come for eating and enjoying Bولانی. Inshallah, in future days I will try my best to come here during lunch. انشالله در برنامه بعدی کوشش میکنیم چاش بیاییم.
چاش 12 بجه 1 بجه.
تشکر. Thank you so much. We will also go and meet customers, people who are coming here and also eating Bولانی, and we will ask them how it is, the taste of bologna, and is it delicious or not? Come with me. سلام، خوب هستین؟ صحتان خوب است؟ شما امروز آمدین به خاطر بولانی خوردن، درست؟ ما میخوایم درباره مزه بولانی از شما پرسان کنیم. چطور بود بولانی که شما امروز خوردید؟
من نسبت من اصلا با خانه از جوری نکمت که شیراغا سود نعمت مدام و شخص نعمت از خانه کدام مزه
Yes, I asked him about the taste of this bologna. He told me it's more delicious because Mr. Shiraga can make bologna more delicious, more than home. People making bologna at home as well, but this one is special, and the taste of this one is really good. And also come with me. Here we have more customers. سلام، خوب هستین؟ صحتان خوب است؟ بولانی که شما خوردین معمولاً چه روزایی میایین اینجا؟ آیا همیشه میایین؟ مشتری دائمی هستین یا نه دفعه اولتون؟
این بار سوم یا چهارم هست.
خب. I asked him about is it their first time that they are coming at this shop or not? He told me that it's second or fourth time that he's coming and eating bologna. بیشتر از این بولانی، چکنی و دوغ کدامش بیشتر به شما لذت بخش بود؟ خود بولانی؟ Yeah, he's talking that bologna it's more delicious, more than everything. And among foods, different foods, we like more bologna.